So when I tell people that you can actually buy anything on 1688, they think I am lying. Maybe because they are so lazy to source. Yes, you can get anything on 1688, ranging from groceries, foodstuffs, gadgets, designers products, and what have you. Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel CC Discover. So in today's video I'll be unboxing some things I got from China using 6088 as usual. Yeah, this is the item, especially the one in the Ghana must go. This is a very big Ghana must go, so I offloaded my items and put them in a Ghana must go because of the amount the cab drivers were calling to bring it to my destination. So I put everything in a Ghana must go, booked an Uber, and it was way cheaper. I think I'll be doing this, right? Because most times I also use big buses depending on the quantity of my shipment, but for this one I did just me products, things that I need for my personal self. So unbox with me now. So this one are the wallpapers I got for my lobby. Will I say lobby? Yeah, you know, the corridor between the sitting room and the kitchen. Yes, let's say corridor, whatever. So I got these wallpapers to put on the wall because every year I do paint the wall, but it's kind of expensive, so I just want to cover it up. Then this is the shoes I got for my son. This shoe is very fine, like very fine, god, and it's so strong. So I got this shoe for my son. Yes, you know, there's no shopping without including one or two things for my son. So I got this shoe. Then I got this one. Yes, I treated myself with a very beautiful shoe. I got this shoe for myself to use, and to use for occasions, church, you know. Yeah, this shoe is very fine. So what do you think? This shoe was procured on 1688. Guys, like I said, there's nothing you can't buy on 1688. There is nothing. As just be patient, just source, you get. So this one is Lipton. Yeah, I got some Liptons on 1688. I got different flavors. I got some Liptons, different flavors on 1688, and guys, I'm so glad I actually got these Liptons. Honestly, there's a great difference between these things and the one we consume here in Nigeria. You won't know until you buy them, right? So yeah, these are Liptons. I hope you know what Liptons are, right? Yellow label. So guys, this is my favorite. Oh, these are peanut butters. God, I got this one specifically for myself. Yes, I got this one for myself because I normally use peanut butter for even ogi self. I use peanut butter for my pap, you know, I use peanut butter for a lot of things. So I got two for myself on 1688. Then the next one is, yeah guys, guess what? This is what we call camel milk. If you want to know the benefit of camel milk, please go and google it. I think I'll unbox that later. I'll show you that camel milk later. Now this particular one is oats. You, of course, you know what coca oats is, right? So I got two of this 1 kg, right? They are sealed. Yeah, it is so sealed. 1 kg. Now this is my peanut butter. I felt that you did not see it the last time, so take a closer look. This is the peanut butter. Yeah, butter, whatever. So this is the peanut butter. I'm so excited. Peanut butter is my best. So this one now is cocoa drink. They call it cola. This is just like the Milo and the Ovaltine, but this is more like Ovaltine. It is not sugary, right? So that is it. Then back to our camel milk, guys. I got this one specifically for my dad. They are both 1 kg. Now guys, this milk is called panda milk. This is a condensed milk. They are in sachet. I think this sachet is like, is it 20 grams or something? Yeah, you can use it to eat your bread, you can use it to take pap, you can use it for your custard, you can use it for your tea, you can use it for a whole lot of things. You can even lick it. Yes, so this condensed milk, but remember that condensed milk have more sugar, so if you're licking or you're using it, you have to be very very cautious on how you consume, right? So this is what the Chinese call the panda milk. Yummy. So the next one is the, yup, did you see that? That is almond seed. Yeah, I got these almond nuts. Yes, almond nuts. These are unprocessed. They've not been roasted or fried or whatever, so I got them because I want to use them for myself. I want to use them to do a lot of things, like when I want to do my, when I want to process my ogi and all that, so I'll prepare by myself. Now this is biscuits. Yeah, this biscuit is so delicious. I got it last year, so I decided to get it again. Now guys, these are cookies. I know you remember this cookie, right? This cookie, I ate a lot of it last year. I got plenty of it last year. I said, you know what, on every procurement I'll be doing from China, I must include this biscuit. These are very delicious cookies. Because they are very delicious. You can use them for tea, you can use them for pap, you can snack on them, you can do a lot of things with it. Yeah, I can eat a lot of things with the biscuit. Yeah, then this is my favorite biscuit. This biscuit is like cracker but in a vegetable kind of way, right? So I also have been buying this biscuit since last year, so I decided to buy more because I want to give my dad 1 carton. It will be very good for his health, right? It's more yeah, it has a lot of vegetable, right? It's not sugary at all. There's no sugar, but it's very very delicious. So this is my favorite biscuit. Like I said, it is very delicious. And yes, I got for my dad. I'm going to take one and he takes one, because those cookies, I snack on them sometimes, but I decided to keep most of them for my son, you get. Yeah, but for this biscuit, nah, this biscuit, if you eat it you won't give anybody, honestly. This biscuit is so nice, right? And it's very good for elderly people. You know, it's not sugary. It's good for people that are diabetic, maybe hypertensive, because there is no spice, you know. Very delicious. And you can see I'm testing my biscuit. Oh, yo, this is delicious. Chineke na ihe nke a also otoka. Ew, if you're eating this thing, you won't even like to give anybody. Oh. I'm even dancing because why wouldn't I? So that is it for that biscuit. Yeah, let me eat more. Sorry if you're watching, just be patient with me please, right? Then these two items here are mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise. So I was actually supposed to get cheese and mayonnaise and some other ones, but because this thing is coming with sea shipping, because of other heavy items that were included, you know, I said no. That buying cheese, it might dissolve in the container, you get, because of the hotness. So I'll be buying cheese whenever I'm doing air fries, at least that one with 3 to 7 days, highest say it will take 14 days, right? At least it's better than 3-4 months. So whenever I'm doing air fry, I will include cheese. But for now, to get mayonnaise. And this mayonnaise, you can use it for dressing your salad, you can use it to eat bread, you can use it to even eat biscuit. You can use it as a dip for biscuits, and you can also use it as a dip for chicken, that is fried chicken, right? You can use it as a dip for your french fries, for your plantain, fried plantain, for your potatoes, right? Fried potatoes. So you can use it as a dip for a lot of things. You can also use it for sandwich, you can use it for toast bread, you know, even waffles. So you can do a lot of things with this mayonnaise. Yes, I got 2 of it because I want to give one to my mom. My mom is a lover of mayonnaise, so one will be going to her. Yeah. Then this one is the remaining cookie. Yeah, I got a lot of these cookies, like I said, because my son will be using most of them, especially as snacks for school, right? So that was why I got a lot of that cookies. The last time I got it, it lasted so well, so this time around I bought a lot of it. Then now I'm bringing out the, I've shown you, remember I've shown you camel milk, I've shown you panda milk, and now this is cow milk. That is, yeah, cow milk. So I got cow milk. Every milk you see here is 1 kg, so I got the 4 of them for my personal use. So these are 4 milk, powdered milk. Yeah, 4 of them, cow milk. The name is my, right? Yeah, the name is my milk is a Chinese brand. Remember, everything here was gotten on 1688. The name is my my, my. So that is that, and it came with some spoons, the measuring spoons, in case you want to scoop. They came with their individual spoons. Yep. So the next one here is you won't believe this one, you won't believe it. Chicken chicken nuggets. Jesus, you see this chicken nugget, each of these is 500 grams. Yep, chicken nuggets, spiced, it is already prepared here, so it's just for snacking. It's not for you to use it and eat. If you want to cook jollof fry, you pack it and no, it's just for basically for snacking. So I got 2 of it. Yeah, for this particular one now, I'll be giving everything to my mom and my dad, so that they can use it to be snacking during night hours, when they are just resting after their day work, or whenever they like sha. But I just got it for them so that they can see something to do choo. And this one again is another crispy chicken. This is like a snack as well. This one I got it for my son. It's just for I just want to try it. I've not bought this one before. I want to try it and see how it looks like. Everything here is from 1688, guys, remember. Yeah, then this part are cleaning agents, that is cleaning products, washing products. This is lavender laundry, lavender laundry oil or something. This lavender laundry oil. Yeah, use it for washing so that your clothes will smell nice. Then this one is just like our mama lemon or morning fresh. Yeah, I got it for doing dishes. Yeah, I got it for doing dishes. Next, I think the last one is, there's a particular powder or chemical I got for, those small things that look like baby flies, but they are not flies. They are always in the toilet, on the wall. They are there. They don't disturb, but they are always there, especially that drainage side. The drainage side where your shower water and everything rush down to. Yeah, so this particular chemical or whatever kills them. Then this particular one is laundry salt. It's actually like laundry, it's just like the normal laundry powdered soap, right? But they call it laundry salt, so you use it to do your laundry. So guys, I got this one a lot because I want to share to some friends and families. yeah, that is all for now. Like I said, you can see behind me I have a lot of clothes. There are a lot of clothes there that I got for my son. So this unboxing is just to show you that you can actually buy groceries, foodstuffs, anything from China using 1688. You get, using 1688. And this is me testing the almighty cookie. Like I said, this cookie is delicious. Guys, try it. When you use this cookie to take tea, oh, your life will not remain the same. So guys, that is all. See you in another video. Bye.